This is a Boar Bristle hair brush from Black Egg. And I'm going to tell you guys, this is an amazing brush for kids and if you have normal or thin hair, because it has all of those boar head bristles or boar bristles. It is going to be great to be a way to untangle your hair while keeping it nice and soft. It has a wooden handle, it has the boar bristles, it does not generate static electricity. That's always been something that I thought that these brushes did, so it's nice that it doesn't. It comes with a comb and it also comes with some hair ties. These are the ones that you can make small again. You can like make sure they don't stretch out, which is pretty cool. It will naturally condition your hair because it will distribute the oils from your head throughout your whole hair, so it naturally conditions, and so it helps you have a healthier scalp and less hair loss. So this is a really high quality brush. Definitely recommend checking it out.